A technique used by codes to convert an analog signal into a digital bit stream is known as A. Pulse code modulation, B. Pulse stretcher, C. Query processing, D. Queue management. The correct answer is pulse code modulation. An optical input device that interprets pencil marks on paper media is A. OMR, B. punch card reader, C. optical scanners, D. magnetic tape. The correct answer is O.M.R. Most important advantage of an IC is its A. easy replacement in case of circuit failure, B. extremely high reliability, C. reduced cost, D. low power consumption. The correct answer is extremely high reliability. Data division is the third division of a program. A. COBOL, B. BASIC, C. Pascal, D. Forth. The correct answer is COBOL. Which language was devised by Dr. Seymour Aubrey Papert? A. APL, B. COBOL, C. Logo, D. Fortran. The correct answer is Logo. A program that converts computer data into some code system other than the normal one is known as A. encoder, B. simulation, C. emulator, D. coding. The correct answer is encoder. A device designed to read information encoded into a small plastic card is A. magnetic tape, B. badge reader, C. tape puncher, D. card puncher. The correct answer is badge reader. A hybrid computer uses A to convert digital signals from a computer into analog signals. A. modulator, B. demodulator, C. modem, D. decoder. The correct answer is modem. A group of magnetic tapes, videos or terminals usually under the control of one master is A. cylinder, B. cluster, C. surface, D. track. The correct answer is cluster. Any device that performs signal conversion is A. modulator, B. modem, C. keyboard, D. plotter. The correct answer is modulator. Codes consisting of light and dark marks which may be optically read is known as A. mnemonics, B. barcode, C. decoder, D. all of the above. The correct answer is barcode. A type of channel used to connect a central processor and peripherals which uses multiplying is known as A. modem, B. network, C. multiplexer, D. all of the above. The correct answer is multiplexer. The first generation of computers available was based on the bit microprocessors A4, B8, C16, D64. The correct answer is 8. The complete picture of data stored in database is known as A. record, B. schema, C. system flowchart, D. DBMS. The correct answer is schema. Which of the following is intended to be used in all applications runs on mainframe computers? A. logo, B. APL, C. PL1, D. ACAM. The correct answer is PL1. A language which is close to that used within the computer is A. high-level language, B. assembly language, C. low-level language, D. all of the above. The correct answer is low-level language. Which is a unit representing the no bits of discrete? A. baud, B. byte, C. bit, D. all of the above. The correct answer is baud. The device that can both feed data into and accept data from a computer is A. ALU, B. CPU, C. input-output device, D. all of the above. The correct answer is input-output device. The personnel who deals with the computer its management put together are called A. Software, B. Humanware, C. Firmware, D. Hardware. The correct answer is humanware. A modern digital computer has A. Extremely high speed, B. Large memory, C. Almost unlimited array, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following can store information in the form of microscopic bits on metal discs? A. Laser discs, B. Tape cassettes, C. RAM cartridge, D. Punched cards. The correct answer is laser discs. A device for converting handwritten impressions into coded characters. Positional coordinates for input to a computer is A. Touch panel, B. Mouse, C. Wand, D. Writing tablet. The correct answer is writing tablet. A storage system for small amounts of data is A. Magnetic card, B. Magnetic tape, C. Punched card, D. Optical mark reader. The correct answer is magnetic card. Which is another name for functional language? A. Machine, B. Application language, C. Low-level language, D. High-level language. The correct answer is application language. Compilers and interpreters are themselves A. High-level language, B. Codes, C. Programs, D. Mnemonics. The correct answer is programs. A compiler means A. A person who compiles source programs, B. The same thing as a programmer, C. Keypunch operator, D. A program which translates source program into object program. The correct answer is a program which translates source program into object program. A pen-shaped device which can sense light and is used to point at spots on a video screen. A. Mouse, B. Light pen, C. Joystick, D. Plotter. The correct answer is light pen. A notation used to express clearly on algorithm is known as A. Algorithmic language, B. Assembly language, C. Machine language, D. High-level language. The correct answer is algorithmic language. Compression of digital data for efficient storage is A. Buffer, B. CPU, C. Packing, D. Field. The correct answer is packing. An operating system intended for use on microprocessor-based systems that support a single user is A. PC-DOS, B. MS-DOS, C. Unix, D. CP/M. The correct answer is CP/M. Which programming language is based on Algol 60? A. Pilot, B. Snowball, C. Ada, D. Simula. The correct answer is Simula. Computer memory consists of A. RAM, B. ROM, C. PROM, D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. A path by which communication is achieved between a central processor and other devices is called A. Audit trail, B. Network, C. Bus, D. Channel. The correct answer is bus. A stand-alone system which produces one page of printed output at a time is A. Page printer, B. Line printer, C. Laser printer, D. Dot matrix printer. The correct answer is page printer. A memory that does not change its contents without external causes is known as A. Dynamic memory, B. Static memory, C. RAM, D. EEPROM. The correct answer is static memory. The report card and merit list forms the A. Output data, B. Data processing, C. Central processing, D. Input data. The correct answer is output data. A number which is stored and processed but not in the standard exponential form is called A. Floating point number, B. Fixed point number, C. Octal number, D. Decimal number. The correct answer is fixed point number. A memory that holds microprograms is A. Core memory, B. ROM, C. RAM, D. Control memory. The correct answer is ROM. A device invented by Dr. Bobeck in 1966 for mass storage of data is A. Punched paper tape, B. Magnetic bubble storage, C. Magnetic tape, D. Magnetic disk. The correct answer is magnetic bubble storage. The organization and interconnection of the various components of a computer system is A. Architecture, B. Networks, C. Graphics, D. Designing. The correct answer is architecture. Which of the following is the coding of data so that it can't be easily understood if intercepted? A. Barcode, B. Decoder, C. Encryption, D. Mnemonics. The correct answer is encryption. RAM is used as a short memory because it is A. Volatile, B. Has small capacity, C. Is very expensive, D. Is programmable. The correct answer is volatile. A modern electronic computer is a machine that is meant for A. Doing quick mathematical calculations, B. Input storage manipulation of outputting of data, C. Electronic data processing, D. Performing repetitive tasks accurately. The correct answer is input storage manipulation of outputting of data. Which is a device that changes information into digital form? A. Modem, B. Digitizer, C. Mouse, D. Light pen. The correct answer is digitizer. An index register that is automatically incremented or decremented with each use is A. Auto index, B. Asynchronous, C. Assembler, D. Compiler. The correct answer is auto index. Which network is a packet switching network? A. Ring network, B. LAN, C. Star network, D. EuroNet. The correct answer is EuroNet. Symbolic languages were developed in A. 1962, B. 1950, C. 1974, D. 1980. The correct answer is 1950.